Welcome back to No Sticks, No Bricks. Today we're going to talk about some issues that we're having with our water heater. The last couple of times we've boondocked and we flipped it over to gas, it's been acting up. It's been working just fine on electric, no issues there at all, but when we flip it over to gas, it seems to have to cycle through 3 different cycles before it actually fires up and kicks in. Let me show you what it's doing. Alrighty, so let's open this up and let me show you what we got. So this is a Suburban water heater that's installed in our 2021 Grand Design Momentum 397 toy hauler.
And as you can see, the model number is S Sierra Whiskey 12 Delta Echo Lima. And that is the model number we're working with.
So like I said before, you can either use on electric or on gas, and gas is where our issue is, so let me show you what it's doing. Alright, so I'm hooked into the one control system here via the app on my phone, just so I can switch it over to propane and show you exactly what it's doing. So let's get to... Alright, so right now I got the electric water heater on. I already flipped the switch on the actual tank, so I'm going to turn that off and then turn the gas meter on and watch this. So there you heard the click, so the gas valve opens up. I can smell propane, but notice no ignition. The igniter, which is right here, is not firing. And this will cycle 3 times before I have to turn it back on again via the app or on the one control system. There goes the valve again, that's the 2nd time. Oh, it fired. What? Well, crap. Of course it would fire up when I'm trying to video the repair because it hasn't been working. Murphy's Law. Well, I've tried a few more times off camera to try to get that to act up like it has the last probably 3 times we went boondocking, and it just won't do it. It seems to have fixed itself somehow. You know, I was a mechanic for 30 years and this stuff happens a lot, and we call it PFM. I'm gonna let you Google that to figure out what that means. Follow us for more non-repairs of items that are broke but not broke. Whatever. Here we go again. Another hike with the runaway Rinaldis, Mike and Claire. They're joining us again today. I guess we didn't kill them on the last hike, so they decided they'll give it one more shot.
Take 2.
Although we did take the Jeep up on this little steep hill, and
almost tried to kill us.
Jennifer didn't like it very much. We're doing the Oracle Ridge Trailhead, or trail, to Marble Peak. It's about a 4.5 mile out and back trail. It looks beautiful. We're definitely at elevation. We're at like 7,500 feet. It dropped about 15 degrees.
It's cold.
And it's about 60 degrees out. But it's beautiful. So it should be a good hike. Well, what do you think of this hike, babe?
It's good.
Isn't this beautiful?
It is.
It's not shaded, but we don't really need the shade today.
No, it's pretty cool. I mean, there's still snow on the ground over there.
Yeah. Trees blocking the path.
Turn the water for a second.
Yep. up here. Look at this view. So we found a tree stump that looks like a horse head with his tongue sticking out. Check this out. Little chair that we brought with us so we can sit down and eat. Sometimes there's no place to sit, so just a little guy. I don't know what the brand is though, do you? Does it say on there? I have no idea.
I took the tag off.
Oh, wow. Yo, don't want to fall off that.
Down to that, right down there.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Pretty steep one, huh?
And this is a better view anyway. Wow.